Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the shortcuts and accessibility, then to the accessibility, and then to the Talkback. So here you can enable Talkback, and Talkback is a feature that works the way that it speaks out loud items on your screen, because it's made for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works this way. So you tap anywhere and this action gets spoken out loud.
Talkback, window Talkback. Double tap to activate. Use Talkback, on, switch, in list. Double tap to activate.
So as you can hear, in this mode, to confirm any action, you have to double tap anywhere on the screen, just like this, and that's how you can, for example, stop Talkback.
Talkback off.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.